Someone once asked, does a stone have Buddha nature? If we think simply, Buddha nature means the seed of awakening, the inner wisdom that lives in every being with consciousness. Humans, animals, all living beings carry it within. But a stone has no mind, no awareness. So in the strict sense, it does not have Buddha nature. Yet, when we look deeper, the stone still teaches us something profound. It rests silently, enduring the sun, the rain, and the passing years. It reminds us of patience, of stillness, of impermanence. The stone itself may never awaken, but when we look at it with mindfulness, it can awaken something inside our own heart. Sometimes wisdom does not come through words, but through the quiet presence of simple things around us.